नमस्कार, माझं नाव सुखदेव देंडे. मला 3 वर्षापूर्वी हार्टचा थोडासा प्रॉब्लेम वाटत होता आणि त्यामुळे मला ट्रीटमेंटसाठी डॉक्टर संदीप बनसोडे यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाने मला लीलावती हॉस्पिटलमध्ये ट्रीटमेंटसाठी पाठवण्यात आलं. इथे डॉक्टर पवन कुमार यांनी मला संपूर्ण चेकिंग वगैरे केल्याच्या नंतर ऑपरेशनचं डिसिजन घेतलं व माझं ऑपरेशन 3 वर्षापूर्वी डॉक्टर पवन कुमार यांच्या मार्फत करण्यात आलं. ऑपरेशन माझं झाल्याच्या नंतर आजपर्यंत 3 वर्षात मला कुठल्याही प्रकारचा त्रास वगैरे झालेला नाहीये आणि मी व्यवस्थितपणे माझी सर्व कामं स्वतंत्रपणे करतो. मला कोणाच्या आधाराची किंवा सांगण्याची तशी गरज पडत नाही. ट्रीटमेंट प्रामुख्याने माझी वॉल बदलण्याचे ऑपरेशन करण्यात आलं. त्याच्यानंतर जे आता औषध वगैरे जे सुरू आहे त्याच्यामध्ये माझं रक्त पातळ होण्याच्या संदर्भामध्ये कंट्रोल केले जातं आणि मी अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने माझं सर्व कामकाज करतो आहे आणि अजूनही डॉक्टर पवन कुमारांचं मला मार्गदर्शन लाभतं.
Namaskar, myself Dr. Sandeep Bansode, Medical Officer, Municipal Corporation of Government. Mr. Sukhdev Dende, my uncle, was having dizziness and syncopal attacks and he was diagnosed with aortic valve stenosis. So we took him to Dr. Pavan Kumar at Lilavati Hospital. During routine investigations, it was diagnosed with aortic valve stenosis. The Dr. Pavan Kumar advised us to undergo surgery. Surgery was done during the COVID period, that is during 2020, which was highly infectious period. But post-surgery recovery was uneventful and it was fabulous. There was no infection regarding COVID and any kind of infections. After post-surgery, his condition was very good and he was put on anticoagulation. His aortic valve was replaced with mechanical valve and anticoagulation as suggested by Pavan Kumar, it was followed like that. From 2020 till 2023, we are following up with Dr. Pavan Kumar. My uncle is really doing very well without any complications. We as a family are very much thankful to Dr. Pavan Kumar. Thank you.
And doctor, you know about this Heartwell Clinic initiative. What you would like to say about it?
Yes, it is really a great approach for the community. Society really needs such kind of Heartwell clinics because we have so much of heart problems and valve problems in our society. So it will be grateful for society that if it becomes approachable to each and everyone. And I really wishes to Dr. Pavan Kumar to go ahead with such clinic.
Thank you.
Thank you.